What's up, guys? The Pigeon Guy here. Excuse me, guys, my voice. Um, they're on X again. They're on X again. My favorite pair for this year. My favorite young pair for this year. I would say that pair there. But I'm now gonna show you the cockbird. I mean, okay, the hinbird. Here's the hinbird. There she, there's eating something. There's the hinbird. There's the cock. Damn, he's nice. But yeah, guys, that's their babies, and I'm gonna show you the babies, the first round. Like yeah, that was amazing, really. Somebody wanted them, but I said nah, I'm gonna keep them for stock. You see, must keep some birds for stock birds. And yeah, guys, let's go to the back. Our baby died. Our baby died. So I put another baby under, so she's feeding another baby. So yeah, guys. Sorry, but yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, pigeon locked. There you go. Oh yeah, that baby was born today, this morning. Still waiting, still waiting. There you go. Here's one. But yeah, guys, let's go to the front again. Here's the flock. Here's the flock. 28. I have 28 now at the moment. 28. There's the flock. I call them the flock. Yeah, guys. I don't like when pigeons do that, so yeah, guys. But anyways, thanks for watching. It was very enjoyable. And yeah, guys. I don't know what to call this. Oh shit. Sorry there. I don't know what you call that feathers there. In front. There. I don't know. Maybe you guys know. I'm a pigeon fan here, but yeah, guys, I still learn every day. Every day of my life I learn. You must learn, guys. You must learn. This is one of the babies. Rhino. One of Rhino's. Oh, shit. One of Rhino babies. Sorry for the noise, guys, but yeah, pigeons. Just pigeons. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all well. Hope you all had great holidays. And yeah, have a great new year wherever you are in the world. And yeah, guys. Peace. Peace and guys out.